right, hey everybody. Today we're gonna learn about cropping, or at least finding a way to focus on an image that you want within images that you don't want. Okay, so what am I talking about? Well, let's go ahead and open up the exercise file, which I believe is in your episode 14.3. So it is a nice family at the beach. Okay, it's kind of ghosted out there, but once you do open that, you will get to this nice image over here. So as you can see, we have a family of 3, and the crop tool is right around here, the fourth one down from the top. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, that's the universal cropping tool. And if you click on that, right away what happens is, and if you look at the image, you've got these crop marks right here. And well, let's see, which one do we want to crop out? Well, how about let's go ahead and focus in on the cute little girl holding the ball. And basically, when I click on the crop tool, you'll notice that markers appears. And now when I click on the markers, you'll see a grid appears. That's to kind of help you guide your movement to the part of the image that you want to crop. So let's go ahead and we'll do this. And let's go ahead and do this. And let's go ahead and focus in on the young little girl. And then at this point, this is the image that we want to have, we want to keep. The rest we will crop out. And all I do is press return, and I just have this young lady over here. All right, good enough. Well, that's one way to do it, okay? That's the crop tool, okay? That's one way. I am now going to go to the history palette, okay? And go back to the family at the beach JPEG. There it is right there. I'm going to click. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and go down here. There it is right there because I resized it for you. At any rate, another way of doing this is by using the marquee tool. So I'm going to click on the marquee tool on the upper right, and I'm going to select the rectangular marquee tool. Okay, this time I'm going to be pretty specific. I need you to select the rectangular marquee tool and not the elliptical one, okay? So having that selected, now at this point, I can just go ahead and place marching ants, there it is right there, around the little girl. All right, now what we do is we go up to Image, and then Crop. And you'll watch right now what happens when I do that. There it is. That young girl is now the part of the image that I want. Everything else cropped out. We're done. All right, hopefully you learned a little bit there. If there's any questions, please email me. On to the next lesson.